look at that. Donkey donk. What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 3 of the green Toyota Tacoma that we picked up from Copart. This truck is absolutely amazing. In the last video, we took off that radiator support. We started working on that. We were working like crazy. We started working down this side, doing a little bit of the body work, trying to get it ready for paint. As you can see, the suspension is still damaged. We're working on that. It is a top priority. So what we're going to do today, we're going to pull this sucker in the shop. We're going to get it all jacked up. We're going to start working on that suspension and continue working on the body work at the same time. So we're going to work on that suspension. We're going to try to get it all jacked up, lifted up. We usually wait for the lift kit for the end, but this one's got suspension damage. We happen to have suspension parts, so why not go ahead and throw that stuff in there? So you know what? We're going to crank this sucker up. We're going to head to the shop. We're going to get it done. Let's start working.
Alrighty guys, so in this video is a little bit more work and a little bit less talk. So what we worked on today is we got this nice 3.5 inch lift we already had in. So we went ahead and changed this side out since this was our bad suspension part. Got a big beefy control arm, a nice shock and strut in there. So what we did up here was get this better so we could drive it in and out of the shop easier. While we were doing that, JP was here working on this door and this bedside, getting it primered, getting it ready for paint. So this thing's coming together nicely. It's gonna be 100% real soon. We got our parts in, we're gonna start working on that. We've run out of time today though, so we will catch you guys in the morning.
Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. We are gonna work on the suspension again. Yesterday we worked on the passenger side. Today we're gonna work on the driver's side. So we're gonna pull it in the shop, gonna get it jacked up, gonna get the new control arm out, get the new strut out, get everything put in this front end 100%. So let's go ahead and stop talking and let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, we have been working like a bunch of cavemen on this 2013 Toyota Tacoma, the beautiful hunter green color that we love absolutely so much. We've been working on this suspension up front. We've been working on the brake lines up front. Finally, for the first time since we got this truck, we can actually hit the brakes and stop. So around here, that's a good thing because I've almost ran it into 15 cars. Can't wait to get this thing done. We got the suspension all raised up. We got the new control arms on. We got the new strut on. We've been working, test fitting our radiator support. So we got a very good first initial test fit. We're gonna continue marking in the next video. We're gonna mark all those holes. We're gonna get them all drilled. We're gonna get this sucker painted up and welded on. But I do think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.